market?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't need anything? You don't?
No, I'm good.
Sure.
Yeah.
Call me. Do you have my number?
Yeah.
If there is anything, you have my phone number?
Yeah.
Right, okay. Just call
So tomorrow I'll give you a call around 11 o'clock.
me.
Okay.
Okay.
See you, Marie.
See you. Take care. Wish you the best.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hopefully,
You will be okay. You're a good kid. You are
Thank
a
you.
good man.
hey guys,
You leave
leaving?
right now?
Yeah.
Oh, no, really?
Yeah.
Man, it was a pleasure to meet you.
Same here.
Really. Great seeing you.
Yeah,
Hope to see
take
you
care.
again. You got my number?
No.
Get my number.
No,
Yeah, you
actually.
got my Facebook?
Can you add me?
Yep. I have you right now. Oh man, we keep in touch. When I return, maybe I go to Nevada. No, where do you live?
Arizona.
Arizona?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go. So what is your Facebook?
VISHAL
V-I-S-H-A-L Vishal.
Vishal Kumar.
So Vishal how? Kumar?
Space K
K?
U. Yeah, first one.
Oh. Yeah, I find it. 760.
760.
Yeah. 969 9110. And you going to Arizona with moto?
Evgen? Who is Evgen?
It's me.
Yeah, I'm riding back.
Moto, all these roads.
Yeah.
The fuck, you're courageous. Yeah, but I said, oh boy, long drive. What's your Facebook?
And this number is coming as Valerie. Did you get a call?
Yeah, hold on. What's your number? I'll call you.
Okay.
No, I missed the call. The 480?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's mine.
What's your Facebook?
VISHAL.
Kumar.
Yeah. Space Kumar. Benji.
Yesterday was so crazy. So crazy. I came at 1.
You were out in Santa Monica, covered yesterday.
Yeah. After my rendezvous, I came here. You do the first, right?
Yeah, that's mine.
And I
Right. Okay. See you guys.
Sure.
Yeah, take care. Wish you best.
Here, I'll call you when I come to Arizona or something.
Definitely. Give me a call. See you guys. No.